Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a frustrating error that a lot of people face. We can't sign into your account on your laptop or PC. Don't worry, I've got the solution for you. So, let's dive straight into fixing this issue without wasting any time. First things first, press the Windows plus I button on your keyboard together. This will open the settings menu. Once you're in, go ahead and click on System. Now, scroll down and find Recovery. Once you've located it, click on it. You'll see an option called Advanced Startup. Just click Restart Now. Once your PC restarts, simply click on Troubleshoot when you see these options on your screen. Next, click on Advanced Startup. After that, go to Startup Settings and click Restart. When your PC restarts again, you'll see a list of options on the screen. Here's where you need to press a 4 key on your keyboard to enable safe mode. Once your PC opens in safe mode, we're halfway there. Now open the Start menu and type in Command Prompt, but make sure you're opening it as an administrator. When it opens, type in the following command. Wait for the command to execute fully. Once the command has finished running, simply restart your PC as you normally would. And guess what? Your issue should now be solved. And that's it. You should no longer see the "we can't sign into your account" error. I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.